In the comfort of your driver's seat, it's sometimes easy to forget that just 4 little patches of rubber are all that separates your vehicle and its precious cargo from the road. Matching your tires to your driving conditions and driving habits can mean the difference between staying in control and getting into uncomfortable or even dangerous situations. To help you make sense of your tire options for winter driving, here's a quick introduction to the most common tire choices you'll encounter. All-season tires are popular for their versatility, but it's important to remember that these tires do not meet snow traction performance criteria. So they don't carry the Three-Peak Mountain Snowflake symbol, which is what to look for in a winter-specific tire. While year-round use is possible, with dropping temperatures, the rubber compounds used in all seasons start to harden and can negatively affect grip, traction, and overall performance in temperatures as warm as 7 degrees Celsius. You can also find all-season tires with the Three-Peak Mountain Snowflake winter rating, which are designed to be used year-round. They don't perform as well as dedicated winter tires in severe winter conditions. Three-Peak Mountain Snowflake certified tires are ideal for areas with mild temperatures and only occasional snow. For anything beyond mild winter conditions, you'll definitely want to choose a set of dedicated winter tires. These tires are specially designed to provide superior grip, traction, handling, and shorter stopping distances on all winter road conditions: cold, dry, snow-covered, icy, or slushy. Because these tires are meant for winter months only, they need to be switched over to a different set in the warmer months. Overall, they are a perfect safety addition to your all-season or performance summer tires. So here are those choices one more time. Choose all-season tires to get you through primarily non-winter driving. Choose all-season tires with the Three-Peak Mountain Snowflake if you need a little extra grip throughout the year. And choose dedicated winter tires to give you the best winter weather performance when the thermometer drops. For more helpful tire shopping and care tips and to download our winter tire list, visit betiresmart.ca.